choice. Burn crime and violence. Kitty your work. Scatter your work. Nuts your work. Your work. You know I'm a born lazy man. I'm a born lazy woman. Wanna go so low. Me no sit down on no yard no.
With my hand from the jaw.
And when me see no man a pass me,
Me say nothing nah go on.
after me no call me no crew so.
Be a stretch out my palm.
I saw me out here a child Eve.
Hustle for when me walk.
Boy,
Get up and go look walk.
every day you never can have all your work. Get up and go look walk. When you rise, you tell me more your stuff. Get up and go look walk. In a your one pants and your one shot. Get up and go look walk.
That is
Hey,
when you
you know,
get up.
and
I watch you now.
cause some fire come 10 out of warning. And then my ass safe. And me informing. I tell them I'm farming. This a land with some carrot and some planting. Some Irish banana and some pumpkin. Get up, you get up and try something.
Yeah.
You get up and go look walk.
Every day you live and can't have all your clock.
Get up and go look walk. Whenever you rise, you tell me more your stuff. You get up and go look walk. In a your
Farmer. Hello. Farmer Joe. Farmer Joe. Hello. Hello. Can you come here? You're working. Come here. Why you give me so much work? Sure, man. You're very passionate about the topic. Why it means so much to you?
The devil find work. Ease.
All right.
The devil find work for the eye glands. Walk.
Hold on. So you work?
That's what I'm doing.
Well, that's what I'm doing too. Miss Kitty.
Well, but what are they not? Sorry. Get some workless boy, get up and go. Look what I gotta tell you, we're kick over laziness. We're kick over people that have no ambition. Some people gonna look some work and stop bad mind people where work hard. All hard-working people, boss of Miss Kitty Black, no man. Some man for gonna look a work star. Some girl for gonna look a work star. God help those who help themselves. And by the sweat of your brow you shall eat bread. And any of your brow now sweat, someone else are gonna sweat. So watch you sweating. But not tell a lie, that song them mad. Walk.
Professor Nuts, kicking time.
Well, me have to big up my designer Balashan because him a do a work. You have to big up Mr. Chambers from Building Black HQ. Down on Melrose Avenue. Let me tell you something now. You do a good thing a while ago. You see that kick there? Me do it for Magnum last year. How we kick it? Come again.
All right.
Kick out it name now. You see that tune there? Will carry a far away in this
right.
Magnum show. Get up and go look walk.
Thank you.
All now. You hear the man say?
Thanks,
Get up and
judges.
go look